This is the last time we're gonna see it like this, fully stocked. So check it out. This is the Razer MX650. We about to break it down, take everything apart. I'm not gonna record me taking it apart because nobody wants to see that. Everybody already seen these taken, stripped down, taken apart. But this is it right here. Oh, that's it. Look at them. And we about to start right now. So this is where we at right now. We got everything off. Took us about an hour. But now we're gonna have to do one more thing. We gotta grind or cut these off right here. Cut these little tabs off right here. Cut this off so the battery can fit. And when we cut it off, the little sharp edges, we're gonna grind it down. Yep. Then once we do that, we're gonna start putting everything up on there. We'll start putting all the mod parts on there. We'll put the forks on there, the swing arm, tires, everything. Brakes, we'll get it hooked up. So this is where we at right now, and we be back.